entire video was generated by Kling O1. What you're about to see will completely change how creators, freelancers, online businesses make videos. Kling O1 just unlocked something that most AI tools still can't do. But here's the crazy part. Kling O1 does it all. Just input anything and it will generate any vision. Modify anything. Change, add, remove, upscale, name it. In this video, I'm going to show you what Kling O1 really can do and reveal simple tricks that instantly level up your AI videos. If you're a content creator, virtual assistant, YouTuber, building a digital brand like I am, you don't want to miss this. Let's crack open Kling O1 and see what it's capable of. To access Kling O1, sign up to Kling AI app or website. Link is in the description below. Also, the video link for the complete sign-up process. Kling AI step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Part 1. Click Kling O1. At the bottom, you'll find input field or prompt area. Let's give it a try. You can write or upload a prompt. Set to image generation. Our generation model is Image O1. The highest mode is 2K. Set aspect ratio, number of output, then hit generate. You have two options ready. Fantastic. To swap elements, just upload image to edit, then write your prompt. Here, the elements that we are going to change is the fruit basket into a birthday cake. Then generate. Just one simple prompt, you get a new image. To add elements in the same way, upload the image to edit from your file or from your generation history. Then type your prompt. This time, we add a puppy to the image. So adorable. To remove elements, follow the same steps. We can also change the color, character or elements. Wow. Prompt adherence is accurate. Not only that, you can also change the action of the character. So convenient. Kling O1 will give life to your line art or sketch. Just write a simple prompt and voila. Kling O1 is also relevant and useful to e-commerce, advertising, product, demo, etc. Just follow the same step. You can literally add logo to any image. Generate virtual models for fashion products, virtual try-ons, and demos. In your prompt, you can specify actions, place, time, angles, etc. Very convenient. At the top of the screen, click User Guide to find out more awesome ways Kling AI has to offer. Modify image to a certain style and tone. It may be artistic or personalized. Convert photo into different angles, example, overhead view, extreme, focus, etc. Generate a landmark based on the location marked on the map. For rich imagination, like how will a person look like 10 years from now? Convert anime style image to realistic look. Generate 3D style of floor plan. Design to realistic image. Merge characters to create new one. Generate lightings. Filmmaking. Multiple angles. Views of characters. Just follow the prompt template shown. Camera angles, shooting height. Modify shot size, long shot, medium, close-up, and so on. Modify facial expression. In the same way, just upload reference image and specify the expression. For portrait, modify lighting and shadow, soft, colorful, cool, warm tone, black and white, and many more. ID photo and portrait generation in preferred style. Example, American style professional headshot, portrait of a woman wearing white top or necklace, ID photo frontal half body, specify background size and tone. Instagram pose, elegant, retro, trendy, etc. Merge portrait characters into one, avatar stylization, Pixar style anime, vintage, etc. Product display, other creative uses. Prompt writing techniques and tips, beauty enhancement, terminologies for prompting, for face, skin, hairstyle, actions or poses, and outfit. Image, HD restoration or upscaling, reverse mapping, spatial, thermal, X-ray image, and other modification. Moving on to video generation, write or paste your prompt, set aspect ratio, duration, hit generate. Let's take a look. Elements, characters, textures, actions look so real and natural. Let's go ahead, add image reference to our prompt. Then, write or paste prompt. This is no longer necessary because I already have image reference. You can ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek to refine your prompt. Set mode, duration, ratio, and output. Check this out. The reference image became the character of our video. Click AI sound to add background sounds or music. It right away generates sound prompts based on the video, but you can always replace it with your prompt. Add music like melodic, piano playing, and so on. We have 4 options ready. I prefer the third one. It more or less fits to the concept of the video. Let's get her to talk. Click extract frame. Choose which frame that you want her to say something. Write your prompt, what you want her to do. Use quotation marks for speaking or singing content. Select voice.
Please prepare your work.
Local authorities.
Let's take Laura.
Good morning.
Beautiful. I'm gonna show you how to add elements and characters. This is crucial in making video to have a consistency. Just upload image, name it, write a brief description, and auto-generate the rest of it. Now, you can upload from your files or let AI generate multi-shots of your image. You have 3 sets to choose from. I prefer the first set, then generate. To add more, just follow the same steps. You can also add scenes, things, etc. Virtual try-on is useful for fashion industry. Click elements, upload model image, scene, outfit, and other stuffs. This is great for product demo or advertisement. Type your prompt using the template. Mila is in Greece wearing image 1, image 2, and holding image 3 for photo shoot. She strikes few poses like a pro. Also, the camera angles. Then the settings that you prefer. I would say the prompt adherence is excellent. Let's go ahead, use image reference. I asked ChatGPT to refine the prompt for this cinematic video. Paste prompt. Change man to Marco, our reference image. Settings all good. Generate. Unbelievable. Feel free to regenerate if you're curious to see another version. Click AI sound to generate sound effects. To add another character to this video, extract a particular clip where you want to incorporate the other character. This is perfect. Capture and confirm. Add the new character. Type the prompt. If you want to add more elements, just follow the same steps. Click Transformation. Upload the video that you want to transform from your generation, history, or file. Let's upload another character and scene or background. Type the prompt using the template.
Good morning.
In this video, the background has changed and we added another character. I've created more videos using the same steps. Now I want to merge the concepts of these two videos to get a whole new one with seamless transition. Click Frames, upload start image, then upload the end image. Set the duration to 10 seconds, generate. This time the girl walks up to the guy and hops on the bike. Click User Guide. You'll find more ways to generate stunning videos. Clips with consistent characters. Just follow the ways of prompting. From film production to advertising, modification, remove, effects, delete, adjustments of camera angles, replace characters, localized modification, video restyle, cyberpunk, pixel art, and so on. Recolor video element, next shot and previous shot generation, camera motion transfer, reference video for actions, frames, skill combos. Click the link in the description to try Kling O1. If you want more AI unboxing tutorials and tools that actually work and help your brand, just hit subscribe. I've got more coming next.